Imagine a world where AI doesn't just follow instructions, but actually learns, creates, and transforms industries. We are witnessing a revolution where machines can predict stock market trends, diagnose diseases faster than doctors, and even generate artwork indistinguishable from human creations. At the core of this transformation is machine learning, ML, a powerful technology that enables systems to analyze vast amounts of data and make intelligent predictions. Unlike traditional programming, where every rule is explicitly written, ML learns from examples, much like a child recognizing patterns. Deep learning, DL, takes this further, using neural networks modeled after the human brain to process enormous amounts of information. Businesses leverage these systems for fraud detection, sales forecasting, and automation, making AI a key driver of innovation. Financial institutions detect fraudulent transactions with near-perfect accuracy. Healthcare providers diagnose diseases through AI-driven scans, and e-commerce platforms personalize recommendations for millions of users. The ability of AI to think, predict, and evolve is reshaping industries, making it clear that this is just the beginning of an AI-driven future. The question is, are we prepared to embrace this transformation and unlock its limitless potential? The evolution of AI doesn't stop at analyzing data. It's now entering the realm of creativity. Generative AI is redefining content creation, allowing machines to generate original text, images, music, and even human-like conversations. Unlike traditional AI models that focus on classification or prediction, generative AI has the ability to imagine and create based on what it has learned. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney are leading this change, enabling users to produce anything from breathtaking digital art to complex business reports. The backbone of this revolution is large language models, LLMs, like GPT-4 and Gemini, which process vast datasets containing books, articles, code, and more. These AI models learn in two phases: pre-training, where they absorb massive amounts of general knowledge, and fine-tuning, where they specialize in specific fields like marketing, law, or customer service. This means the same AI that writes screenplays can also debug software, proving that artificial intelligence is no longer confined to one function. The shift from predictive AI to creative AI is revolutionizing industries, empowering businesses, content creators, and individuals with tools that enhance productivity, streamline workflows, and spark innovation. As AI rapidly advances, its economic impact is projected to reach $1.3 trillion by 2032, fundamentally changing how businesses operate. But with this unprecedented power comes a new set of challenges. Ethical concerns, job automation, and AI bias are major topics of debate. Deepfakes and misinformation threaten media credibility, while automation raises concerns about job displacement. The key to addressing these issues lies in responsible AI development, ensuring transparency, fairness, and human oversight in AI-driven decision-making. Governments, tech leaders, and researchers are working toward regulations that keep AI ethical and unbiased, preventing misuse while maximizing its benefits. At the same time, open-source communities and AI pioneers like OpenAI are making these powerful tools accessible to small businesses and individuals, leveling the playing field between startups and tech giants. AI is no longer a distant future. It's happening now, shaping the way we work, communicate, and innovate. The real question is, are you ready to embrace AI and be part of this technological revolution?